Hey, welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, let's explore about the code memory of the microcontroller. The purpose of the code or program memory is to store instructions and constant data of your program. So there are different types of code memories which are implemented inside the microcontroller. So very simplest and cost efficient program memory is ROM, that is read only memory. There are different types of read only memories like MPROM, which stands for mask programmable read only memory, EPROM, that stands for erasable programmable ROM. This is truly read only memory. That means once you program MPROM, you cannot erase it. So once you program it, then it is final. But EPROM is actually erasable, but the erasing procedure is very cumbersome. You actually have to take the chip outside of your circuit, and then you have to put that under the ultraviolet machine, and then you have to pass the ultraviolet rays, and then you can erase the memory, and then you can program it once again. So that's very tedious and a very cumbersome method. So usage of EEPROM is almost obsolete. So you no longer see those kind of memories inside the microcontroller. And after that, there is one more type of read-only memory that is called WFROM, which stands for electrically erasable programmable ROM. And we just saw that it is quite famous and it is being used in some of the modern microcontrollers as well. We just saw in the previous slide that TI's microcontroller actually has on-chip 2 kilobytes of WFROM. Even though it is called as ROM, it doesn't mean that you are not able to erase it. You can erase it. So, and the erasing technique is also very simple. So it is erased by using electric voltage. So that's why it is called as electrically erasable programmable ROM. All right, so apart from that, there is another type of code memory that is called as OTP, which stands for one-time programmable. And also these days, flash memories are very much popular in the microcontroller domain. So flash is also electrically erasable programmable ROM, but the fabrication technology which is used for flash and EEPROM is completely different. Even though the purpose is same, that is both are non-volatile and erasable writable memories, there is a difference between cost and speed. So the flash memory is being dominated as core memory in today's microcontrollers. And apart from that, there is one more non-volatile memory, that is FRAM. FRAM stands for a ferroelectric random access memory. So most of the STM32 microcontrollers, they don't have this memory as code memory. The reason is, so if you use this as a core memory, then the cost of the microcontroller will shoot up. This is costlier than flash. But the important thing about ferroelectric random access memory is its speed. The access speed is very much high compared to the flash memory. So you find FRAMs as code memory in some of the Texas Instruments MSP microcontrollers. For example, here is a block diagram of the MSP 430 FR2422 microcontroller. And here you can see that in this microcontroller, you don't see a flash as code memory. So they have used FRAM here, and it is of around 8 kilobytes. So take a look into its size. It's just 8 kilobytes. I mean, this microcontroller may be targeted for some low power, ultra low power applications, maybe. All right, so these are some of the different types of code memories which are implemented inside the microcontroller. So I'll see you in the next lecture.